If you've lost access to your TikTok account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you are logged out, proceed to the login screen. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address associated with your account. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions to receive a verification code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone or email for the verification code sent by TikTok. Enter this code in the app to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and save the changes. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your TikTok account. If you encounter further issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for additional assistance.